SHOT Show just delivered some serious surprises. Not rumors, not concept guns, real firearms that are either shipping soon or already hitting dealer shelves. We saw ultra-soft shooting PCCs, compact pistols with factory compensators, classic revolvers brought back from the dead, and budget guns that are punching far above their price tag. Some of these are genuine game changers. Others are just flat out fun. All of them deserve attention. Let's break down the 10 most interesting firearms unveiled at SHOT Show, counting down from 10 to 1. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Firearms require safe handling, proper training, and compliance with all federal, state, and local laws. Always verify current regulations before purchasing or carrying any firearm. Number 10, Retay Arms RX-P22, an affordable hammer-fired .22 LR pistol with a metal slide and polymer frame. Features include a threaded barrel, optics-ready slide with adapter plate, double-action SARC single-action trigger, and fiber optic front sight. With an MSRP around $300, it's a strong choice for training, suppressed plinking, or new shooters. Number 9, Smith Wesson Model 940, a stainless steel J-frame revolver chambered in 9mm using moon clips. Includes tritium front sight, internal hammer, and modern reliability with affordable 9mm training ammo. Number 8, Savage 110 Magpul Scout, a bolt-action scout rifle paired with a Magpul hunter stock and aluminum bedding block. Adjustable, accurate, and versatile for hunting or tactical use. Number 7, Smith Wesson M&P FPC 22 Liar, a folding rimfire carbine that maintains optic zero when folded, lightweight, threaded, and ideal for training or backpack carry. Number 6, PSA SABER ARV, a roller-delayed 9mm PCC offering reduced recoil and faster follow-up shots, ambidextrous controls, and Scorpion magazine compatibility at an accessible price. Number 5, SIG Sauer P320 MOD, a carry-size pistol with an integrated compensator and optics-ready slide, designed for serious shooters who want competition-level performance in a concealable platform. Number 4, Springfield Echelon 4.0 C-Comp, a compact duty pistol with a built-in compensator machined into the slide and barrel. Flat shooting performance with full ambidextrous controls. Number 3, Shadow Systems CR920XL, a stretched micro-compact pistol offering better recoil control and increased capacity. Balances concealability with shootability. Number 2, Smith Wesson M&P Shield RSX, a modern evolution of the Shield platform with increased capacity and optics-ready slide. Improved ergonomics without significantly increasing size. Number 1, Tysas PX9 Carry Gen 3, a budget-friendly carry pistol offering optics-ready slide, clean trigger, and fiber optic front sight. Exceptional value with features typically found on higher-priced pistols. SHOT Show delivered innovation, value, and real-world practicality. Some of these firearms will redefine their categories. Others simply give shooters better options. Drop a comment with your favorite and subscribe for more straightforward firearm breakdowns. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.